Today I'm making sourdough granola, and yeah, it's a thing, and it's a real super yummy thing at that. 152 grams of sourdough starter. This sourdough starter is not fed because this is not going to be rising in any way. So it's actually just sort of a binder. It is the binder for the granola. Next, 160 grams of maple syrup, 26 grams of oil. I'm using organic olive oil, 8 grams of salt, and 8 grams of cinnamon. Okay, now this goes on the mixer with the paddle attachment. We're just going to stir this up a little bit. Okay, now that it's stirred up, we're going to add 180 grams of oats, 120 grams of pecans, 70 grams of sunflower seeds, 40 grams of flax seeds, and then this goes back on the mixer. We're just going to stir it up with, again, of course, the paddle mixer, or the paddle, what is it called? The paddle attachment. Just at a very slow speed, just mix it up. And the mixture goes on a parchment lined baking sheet. And you spread it out. Now this goes into an oven at 325 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then it's done. I let the sourdough granola cool off, and I broke it into little pieces here, and of course, so good all on its own. But even better, you add some dried berries. Now I have like three goji berries left here. Well, maybe a little more. And how about some dried cranberries? You mix that in there, and I would say you got a really yummy dried fruit sourdough granola. Yum. So I showed you how to make sourdough granola, and now I'm going to show you how to make something that I just cannot believe how yummy it is. I'm calling it sourdough granola cheesecake parfait. You take one block of cheese, cream cheese, 80 grams of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of that lemon, and a dash of vanilla. Put this on your mixer. Use the whisk. And after whisking it for about 2 minutes at the highest speed, so it gets super fluffy, creamy, take glass, add some granola, add some of this, which is basically cheesecake without the eggs and maybe the sour cream. And you add that on there. Maybe make it a little bit nicer, not have it all on the corners. And now, God. It's like a cheesecake, but with sourdough granola. So good. You gotta try this.